shit.
I don't blame you. Play them at home and you see them doing that on your TV, huh? That's what I do. I video them and you can just see them going. That's good, though.
See anything you missed?
I know, huh? That's cool, though.
Ah!
You got any good shots?
I'm just filming them.
Oh, I think center in on them in the fucking fume. Like, 5 of them started up at the same time I was walking down the street, like, oh.
I wanted to hear the Datsun.
You know what I realized? A lot of the Camaros that we saw have fucking floored neons, dude, all over.
A lot of these cars aren't like full-on street legal.
Yeah.
Because of how loud they are.
Yeah, I don't know.
Dude, some of them wouldn't even start.
No way.
At Spitaka, Michev Khote Yanga.
I don't think I saw that one.
For a Corvette, that's pretty silent. I'm waiting for the E-Type over there.
I don't remember looking at that. It was pretty dope.
Here comes the Stang. Opsos, the GT350 was over there. It's alright, the California will do. Oh. Here we go. I love how they feel like they can do whatever they want because all the cops are just like on patrol, you know?
Yeah. Oh, it's the caddy.
I'm having a hard time keeping my focus. Oh, here comes the rat rod. This is the best part.
Is that the cover we're looking at?
E-Type. E-Type Jag.
Oh, the one, right?
Yeah. Hold the chin and then each
I
other.
don't know, but that's a shame if that car is mine.
Yeah.
It was so funny seeing the i3. That's what the BMW was
Yeah.
the i3.
God, that thing was so ugly.
Yeah, but next to the Tesla, it was like, come on, man. That's not even.
It was a
fair.
toy.
To be honest, I don't even know the price point.
I have no idea. I'd imagine like 40, 50.
Or the B? What is that called? The B class? Yeah.
I don't even want to know what the price of that is.
How old is that car, dude?
20s, 10s. Oh, and there goes the Suburban. Hiç korktu niyeti. Կշողներին ես տենում, ինչ կշողներին մեկ-մեկ ես։ Շատ է լավ ջահել է, ես տեսա։ Oh, here comes a GT350. GT350. Here it comes.
Look at this guy, dude. This is like a mafia mobile. Look at the ground clearance that has. Dude, that can even clear a ditch.
That's not the important part of that car. That car's like straight out of Greece. Oh, see, it has hydraulics. The herifler demleri denemek. Oh, there goes the GT350. Camaro. Let's get a closer look.
Jumping bits.
The cops telling us it's okay, so.
Ինչ ավտոներ են գալի?
I honestly can't see the headlights too bright.
God, I love the look this 50mm lens gives.
Yeah?
Just so cinematic.
Weren't you complaining about it a minute ago?
It's too zoomed in. See, if I have a distance like I do now, short shooting now. Not this is Jahanera.
I would totally drive that car. Oh, go behind you.
Ooh, that's in.